Points in 3D space. The three dimensions point in a 3D space involves the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Across all three axes, these are mutually perpendicular with one another with same measure of length. There is a requirement of three parameters in a third space to find out the exact location of a point. Representation as a point in 3D geometry, Cartesian form and vector form. Cartesian form. In the Cartesian form in the three-dimensional geometry, the representation is done using three coordinates, which is the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. So the coordinates in three-dimensional geometry are x, y, and z. The point of x value is abscissa, the y value is known as ordinate, and the z value is known as applicate. Where in vector form, it is the representation of a point P in the vector form, the position vector of P. It is written down in the form of LP equals xi plus yj plus zk, where I, j, and k are denoted as the unit vectors and the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis, respectively. In a three-dimensional Cartesian system, the equation is computed by two different methods. These two methods are given, which is the r equals a plus ab and b plus b minus a. Essential concepts of 3D dimensional geometry. Direction ratios. Point A, ABC is shown as a vector. This is with the position vector O A equals AI plus BJ plus CK. Here the direction ratios are A, B, C. This concerns the x-axis, y-axis, axis, and z-axis as the ratios represent the vector line here. Distance formula. It is the distance between the 2 points x1, y1, z1, and x2, y2, z2. It is the shortest distance equal to the square root of the sum of the square of the difference. The x-coordinates, y-coordinates, and z-coordinates of the given points. Midpoint formula. To find the midpoint of the line of the points joining x1, y1, z1, and x2, y sub 2, z sub 2 is considered a new point. In this, the abscissa is the average of the values of x of the two given points. The ordinate is calculated as an average of the values of y of the given points. The midpoint is located between the 2 points, which lies on the line joining them. Section formula. This formula is used to find the coordinate of a point that advise the line of segment joining the point x sub 1, y sub 1, z sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2, z sub 2. It is represented in the ratio. Vectors of a direction and movement. Vectors is a quantity that has both magnitude and direction. Vector examples. We have displacement, we have velocity, acceleration, and force.